To add outline to image, first I want to select on the image I want to use. Let me quickly spread this image out, fill in my page. And I'm going to go over to edit here. And I want to grab my image. I'll grab this image here and I'll click on grab. Now that my image is separated from the background, I'll come over to edit still and come down here to effects. I want to come into the shadows effect and I'll use the outline. If you click on outline, you see there is a black outline that is already covering our image, and you can scroll here. And if you want to edit the color of your outline, you can pick what color that works for you, and you can decide what is the size of your outline and the intensity of your outline. Do you want it faint or do you want it very obvious? This is how to add outline to your image in Canva.